Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market update. Today 5th July, Nifty ends this week at 25,461 and Bank Nifty at 57,031. See, this is what we expected in previous week. A decline may proceed this week and the price may reach 25,400, and if the price does not support, we can expect 25,330, and the price took precisely support at 25,330. So what we can expect next? See, an interesting point to share is how to analyze this segment. A simple channel can help you, right? And exactly the price taking support at the lower end of the channel, right? And even if you draw a channel like this also supporting. So this will become an important support zone, 25,330. Around 25,330 is a very important zone. And the most interesting thing is, now we have the channel, the price moving pattern, okay, everything we are having now. But if you watch, this is our analysis on 28th June, okay. On the day itself, we expected the price should not cross about 25,680. It is a very important resistance. The price not crosses that resistance and started to decline, and we expected minimum 25,400. And if the price does not support, we expected 25,330. And if you watch, I have marked all these levels before itself, 25,325. Okay, this is the beauty of Elliottwaves. What kind of wave is ending, and in such a case, what we can expect, and all this kind of information you can get it from Elliottwaves, right? So this is the expectation. So now the decline came and price reached the important support, and the price is taking support now. The only thing we want to see next week is whether the price is moving higher or not. For that only, we are going to check these channels. Okay, the price needs to minimum come above this channel and above this high of 25,600. Okay, minimum the price needs to come, and if the price comes above 25,600, yes, it can reach between 25,750 to 25,800, the same expected levels which we discussed in previous week. Okay, this is the expectation in Nifty. And the important thing I want to share here is, last week we exactly identified the support. Say I shared when the price was declining, 25,445. The important levels are 25,400, and if the price does not support there, the price can reach 25,330. And Friday's low was 25,331 and reached 25,461. So one more time, we have identified the precise level of turning points in the Nifty. Okay, so this is the expectation now, and as per this expectation, the price needs to move higher, and for that the price needs to come above this channel and the previous high of 25,600. And if the price moves in channel, that is okay. Until the price moves in within the channel, not an issue, but this should protect. Actually 25,300 should protect, but if the price comes below 25,300, yes, definitely we need to rethink about the other options, or maybe other wave counts. But if the price comes below 25,150, then this view is invalid. Okay, the price moving higher side is invalid, and we need to reanalyze the wave counts. So this is the update on Nifty. And in Bank Nifty, see, simple trend line. When the price are trading here itself, I have marked all these lines. This will be the resistance and this will be the support. So far the price is moving as per the expectation only, and even in previous week I said that the price may move upside but sideways to upside. Okay, see, this can be marked as impulse, but as of now it is not impulse. Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, it can come lower and it can move higher. That is what we discussed. See, the wave count is different in Nifty and Bank Nifty, so that the characters also changing. And to simply understand, the price needs to come above this channel first. Okay, you can simply mark this channel, and the price needs to come above 57,200. Then the price can reach more highs, that is the expected level of 57,725. okay, it's the same view. First the price needs to come out of the channel, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and need to cross the 57,200 here, and in Nifty 25,600. Then the higher targets which we marked from previous week can be achieved. Okay, and when the level is invalid, if the price comes below 56,280, initially I said 56,500 in previous week. Yes, it is acceptable. Until that, the price can take support and moves higher. But if it comes below 56,280, then this entire structure can be questioned, because it is coming below this trend line also, and during that time the Nifty also may break below 25,150. So you can correlate both. Our wave counts and our higher targets may be invalid. Okay, let us move on to the commodity sections. The first one is crude oil. See, crude oil, the entire week moving in a range, and I think, see this one, I shared this in previous weekend or before the weekend, maybe mid of previous week, when the price was trading around 65.77. We expected support zone between 64 to 63 and invalid below 59.5, the same view. And if you notice, price exactly took support at 64. See the precise levels we can see numerous times, not one or two times. This time you can see in Nifty. In natural gas and crude oil, there are a lot of times we have identified the precise levels. And 64, exactly 64, the price took support. And in previous week, I said that this can be the new uptrend, or the price may move higher and one more low, and it may move higher. Got it? So this is what we discussed in the weekend video. In either case, in both the cases, the price needs to bounce from here. Got it? So that's the understanding we had in previous weekend, and the price is moving higher, but not with a clear impulse wave. So understand that since we have a support of between 64 and 63, we don't know whether it is coming one more time to 64 or 63. For that, we need to understand the price needs to cross above this 68 to 68.5. Okay, if the price crosses this zone 68.5 with speed nature, most importantly, then the crude oil can reach between 71 to 73. Okay, suppose actually the price has reached important support. Okay, basically the price needs to move higher, but still the price is moving sideways almost for a week. If the price rejects from here or in this zone, there is a possibility of one more low to 64, 63, and the price can move to 72. Okay, so the deciding factor is between the same level, maybe 67.5 to 68.5. That zone may decide whether directly moving higher to 72 or one more low to 63 and moving higher to 72. Got it? So this is the understanding, and this will decide, this area will decide the next level in crude oil. So next one is natural gas. See, we expected from $4 to $3 minimum, and almost more than 50% has been reached, and now we can expect a bounce, right? So if the bounce wants to come, the price needs to reverse from here itself, the same zone. Okay, in this zone itself, the price needs to turn. Okay, before that, let me share our previous analysis, and we expected a support here. Okay, everything we analyzed here, a fast drop, but next candle itself recovered for that level, and the price moved higher, and we discussed in our weekend video, I marked these two lines 3.71 to 3.78, and we need to watch here. If the price rejects, it may go one more low, and exactly the price rejected in our zone and reacted. Okay, now I am removing that old lines to avoid confusion, and now see, now natural gas has multiple options, but I am giving the best options as of now. So if the price needs to move higher, it will immediately move higher right from here itself. Okay, right from here itself, the price should reverse, and the price may reach 3.65. Okay, and if the price crosses 3.65, we can expect between 3.75 to 3.84. Please understand, if the price needs to reverse, I am marking it as decline, and it can be A, B, C, and Based on the structure, we can analyze further, but currently, if the price wants to move higher, this is the zone, the price needs to reverse, or else the price still move downward or consolidate in the declining phase. I will explain that. So, if the price wants to bounce, this is the area, and the minimum bounce can be 3.65, that is minimum. And if the price crosses 3.65, we can expect 3.75 to 3.84, and based on the price reaction there, it may decline next. How you can understand now? You can draw this line. Okay, the price needs to come above this trend line first. That's why I said if the price not bounces, it may move in this range. Okay, a kind of diagonal. That's what I said. The price does not move higher, it may consolidate in a declining phase. This is the declining phase. So first the price needs to come out of this line. If yes, 3.65. Crossing 3.65, 3.75 to 3.84. Or else the price will consolidate here itself. Okay, this is the update on natural gas. The next one is gold. In gold, I not took this screenshot, but we discussed that the price can take support between 3245 to 3232. I hope you remember, and this decline is identified right from here, even though it's a breakout. Okay, that's the interesting thing about Elliottwaves. Okay, see, if you check in hourly chart, you can see the level, but in 4-hourly chart, the system not showing that level, but this is what happened. Okay, 3245 to 3232, and another precise level of turning in gold also. Okay, lot of times we are identifying the precise turnings, but don't always expect the precise turning. The turning points will be a zone. Okay, a zone point. Always I mark minimum 2 levels. In that zone, the price may reverse. So here also in gold, we expected 3245 to 3232, and the low point was 3247, precise level of turning in the gold. Okay, now see, by seeing this, the price can slightly come back one more lower to 3297. See, actually gold and silver, we need to wait for some clear point. Actually this is the view now, but even though, let me share some idea. Because in silver, let me come to the gold also. We will combine gold and silver. This is the expectation in silver. Okay, A, B and C. Again, the 4-hourly chart not displaying the proper wave or price action. See, in hourly, the C came, but it not went below the A. Okay, that is where I'm little getting confusion here. The C definitely should have come to this point, and we are 35.13 is the minimum touch point, but yes, it is acceptable. The price has reached 35.28, very close to a support zone, but I am slightly confusing whether the correction has been completed here or not. Okay, so if the price correction has been completed here, okay, the price will move higher and the price may reach $38 in the silver, or else it may become like this. Okay, that's why I slightly doubt that the gold may decline slightly one more low to 3297 or this zone approximately. So 3290 to 3297, this is possible. Okay, and the price may reverse. That's the idea here as of now. Our entire pattern is becoming complex. We don't know, because silver, we need to check the important resistance around 37.3. okay, right from here, the same level of the price action, okay, or 37.3. if the price rejects here, it may form another leg down and it may move higher. But if the price crosses the $37 in speed, it can reach $38. Okay, so this is the view on silver. So actually gold and silver, we need to wait for some clear levels, but even though it is slightly confusing, I am saying my viewpoint, my analysis. So possibly gold may come one more decline, a slight decline and move higher. Silver, we need to see. We need to see what the price is doing at the previous high of 37. If it declines, yes, one more low and move higher. Okay, only crossing above this point with speed, the silver can reach 38, or else become a complex down and move higher. Okay, this is the update on gold and silver. And in Bitcoin, see, whatever we discussed, I have included a weekly chart for Bitcoin in previous weekend video. In that video, we expected a deeper correction in the coming weeks or months, and it may take Bitcoin to $75,000. Okay, all these we discussed in our weekend video, and for coming days the price needs to come out of this channel first. The same analysis, because Bitcoin also moving in a range. In previous video I said that the price needs to minimum come above this channel. Not only channel, it needs to cross 1,12,300. Okay, then only it can reach between 1,15,400 to 1,16,700 780. Okay, so same analysis, because since the price is moving in the same range. So this is the update for the next week: Nifty, Bank Nifty, Commodities and Bitcoin. And if you wish to learn this Elliott wave, you can register my course. See, identification of direction, not only direction, the levels. Okay, precise levels, Nifty, natural gas. See this precise level of turning here, here. Okay, so if you want to analyze like this, and if you want to identify the precise turning points, you can register my course, Elliottwave course, and I give all this in the description. And if you wish to learn the basic technical analysis, you can register my Master the Markets through technical analysis course, and I give all details in the description. And more importantly, the levels and opinions shared in this video are only for learning purpose, not any kind of buy or sell recommendations. And if you like my analysis, you can subscribe my channel and share it with your trading community. So trade safe. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Have a good weekend. Bye.